Hi guys and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to find referral code on Temu. So let's just begin. First of all, as you can see, we have our Temu in front of us. So head over to your account and you can see we have our coupons and offers, and we also have our credit balance. So if you head over to your coupons and offers, you are able to see your referral code in here. So basically share it with others, and currently I've shared my most amount of time, so I am not able to see that in here. But if you head over to your credit balance, you also have some offers going on in here. You spin the wheel and get your referral code that you share with your friends and earn an extra bonus. So basically that is pretty much it on how you can find your referral code. Make sure to head over to your coupons and offers and see what you got there. I'm pretty sure that you're going to be having that option in here. So that's how you can find referral code on Temu. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.